Hi, this is Arokia Raj, the founder and CEO of AgaramSoft Technologies. We are a Zoho premium partner. We have been partnered with Zoho for the past 4 years. We are located in Tiruvannamalai in Tamil Nadu. I'm using Zoho Books for the past 3 years. Before I was using some other software. I couldn't take the business overview reports in the tablets, mobiles, and mobile devices. Now I'm using Zoho Books. I could take reports anywhere. I can take data to anywhere. I can take reports in the mobile, tablet, iPad, any mobile device. Recently, we have done a lot of migrations from SAP and Tally. Tally and SAP is not user-friendly for the business owners. Zoho Books can be handled by anyone easily. After using Zoho Books, I and my business team has the access to generate an invoice, to create an estimate. So it made my business easy. Before I use Zoho Books, I depend on an accountant to file the GST. Then, after using Zoho Books, I can go to Zoho Books, I can see the transactions, I can push it to the GST portal and I can file it. I would rate the customer support 10 out of 10. Whenever I get any errors or doubts, I can directly connect the Zoho support. I can get that. What gives Zoho Books a competitive edge is its vendor portal and customer portal and API. By using API, I can connect the application with any third-party applications and even with other Zoho applications. So it made my work easy. I can focus on my business rather than the operations.